Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to make your Pinterest account private. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Let's open the Pinterest app on our device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Go to your profile, tap on Settings. Under Account, tap on Profile Visibility. Now you need to toggle this option called Search Privacy. It says hide your profile from search engines, for example Google, so make sure that this option is enabled. In the privacy settings, once you've enabled this, you can make your boards and pins private. If you want to do that, then we need to exit the settings page and go to our Pinterest profile. Now I'm going to select a board which I want to make private. Click on the three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Edit board, and you need to enable this Make this board secret option. Now only you and the collaborators will be able to see this board. You can repeat this process for the rest of the boards which you want to make private. So that's how you can make your Pinterest account private. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.